Welcome back. Next, we are going to discuss exercise 13.1, question number 5. Exercise 13.1, question number 5. A hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block. Hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block. That means this is cube. Just imagine this is cube. This is cubical wooden block. From this cubical wooden block, a hemisphere is cut out. A hemisphere is cut out from one face of the cubical wooden block. In the previous question, hemisphere is mounted on the cube. Hemisphere is mounted on the cube. That means hemisphere you can see on the top of the cube. That means projection. Outside you can see the hemisphere. But in this question, hemisphere is cut out. Hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of the cube. Then it is given in the question, diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Diameter of the hemisphere is equal to L. It is given in the question, diameter of the hemisphere. Diameter of the hemisphere is equal to L. Then radius of the hemisphere, listen, radius of the hemisphere is equal to L by 2. Diameter of the hemisphere, it is given L. Then radius of the hemisphere, that is equal to L by 2. It is given in the question, edge of the cube. Edge of the cube is equal to diameter of the hemisphere. Edge of the cube is equal to diameter of the hemisphere. That means edge of the cube is equal to L. It is given in the question, diameter of the hemisphere is equal to edge of the cube. That means diameter is L, then edge is also L. Hemisphere diameter is equal to L, then edge of the cube is equal to L. Diameter of the hemisphere is equal to L, then edge of the cube is also equal to L. Then we have to find out the surface area of the remaining solid. Surface area of the remaining solid. Surface area we have to find out. Surface area means just like the previous problem, here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 surface area you have to find out. And this corner surface area you have to find out. And inside this area you have to find out. Surface area of the remaining solid means you have to find out 5 surface area and this corner portion. 4 corner portion area you have to find out. And this CSA of hemisphere. Hemisphere CSA also you have to find out. Surface area, which all surface you can see with your eyes, that all surface area you have to add. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 surface area plus this corner area, 4 corner area plus CSA of hemisphere. This all parts area you have to find out and you have to add. Then very important thing is this, surface area. Surface area of the remaining solid. Just like the previous problem, it is very simple. Surface area of the remaining solid means it is very simple. First of all, 6 surface area you have to find out. That means 6 surface area you have to find out. That is 6a square. 6 surface area you have to find out. 6a square. From this edge portion area, it is very simple to find out. From the sixth surface, this pi r square, one circle is moving here. So just like the previous problem, sixth surface area, all the six surface area you have to find out. From the sixth surface, this circle portion you have to remove. Because one circular shape you can see, that is 6a square minus pi r square. Circle area, then only you will get the corner portion. Corner portion you will get means 6 surface minus this hemisphere, that means the circle portion you have to add minus pi r square plus CSA of hemisphere. Which all surface you have to see, that all surface you have to add plus the CSA of hemisphere also you can see plus 2 pi r square, that is just like the previous problem, 6 surface area. For finding this corner, for finding this corner, subtract the circle's area, and CSA of hemisphere also add. Listen, in a surface area of the remaining solid means 6a square minus pi r square, 6 surface area minus circle portion, minus, very important, for finding this corner area. For finding this corner area, only this circle is subtracting from 6 surface. From one face of the cube, the circle portion is subtracting 6a square minus pi r square plus CSA of hemisphere. Which all parts you can see, that all parts area you have to find out. That is equal to 6a square plus pi r square, because minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square, that is equal to pi r square. 6a square plus pi r square, that is 6a square means 6l square, edge means L, radius means L by 2, pi into L by 2 whole square, radius L by 2, that is equal to 6l square plus pi l square by 4. Any problem? 6l square plus pi l square by 4, that is equal to cross multiplication. You can do it, then you will get then 6l square plus pi l square by 4. When you are doing cross multiplication, 24l square plus pi l square by 4. That means you can take L square outside. Here L square is there, here L square is there. L square you can take outside, by 4 also you can take outside in the denominator. L square by 4, 24 plus pi. That much centimeter square is the surface area of the remaining solid. That is equal to L square is common, by 4 also you can remove from the denominator. 24 plus pi centimeter square is the surface area of the remaining solid, just like the previous problem. This is very simple. 6 surface area you have to find out. For finding the corner, subtract the circular portion plus CSA of hemisphere you have to add. Is it okay? Clear? So L square by 4 into 24 plus 5 centimeter square. Welcome back. Next we are going to discuss exercise 13.1, question number 6. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with 2 hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. Stuck means attached. 2 hemispheres is attached to end, each of its ends. That means a cylinder, both end, a hemisphere is attached, stuck to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm. Total length is 14 mm. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm. Diameter 5 mm. Diameter 5 mm. Radius equal to 5 by 2 mm. That means 2.5 mm. That is, this is the radius, that is 2.5. Then this is also 2.5 will come. Similarly, this is the radius, that is 2.5. Then this is also radius will come 2.5. Then cylinder radius 2.5, hemisphere radius also 2.5. The next very important thing is total 2 hemisphere, it will come 5. 2.5 plus 2.55. Total is 14. So you can find out the cylinder's height. Height of the cylinder means 14 minus 2.5 plus 2.5. 14 minus 2.5 plus 2.5. This is 2.5. This is 2.5. 14 minus 2.5, 2.5. 2.5 plus 2.5. That is 14 minus 5. That is equal to 9. 9 millimeter. This is the height of the cylinder. 9 mm. I think everybody understood. Total capsule, total length of 14 mm. Total length of the capsule is 14 mm. This is 2.5. This is 2.5. So 2.5 plus 2.5, that is 5. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9 mm. We should find out the surface area of the capsule. Find its surface area means find the surface area of the capsule. Capsule means CSA of this hemisphere, CSA of this hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. This is capsule. Capsule surface area means CSA of hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere, CSA of cylinder, CSA of cylinder. 2 hemisphere curved surface, 2 hemisphere curved surface, cylinder curved surface. You have to add CSA of hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere and CSA of cylinder. That is capsule. Capsule, here the capsule means one cylinder, each and the hemisphere stuck or attached. So, surface area of the capsule. We have to find out surface area of the capsule. Surface area of the capsule is equal to CSA of cylinder plus 2 hemisphere. 2 hemisphere CSA. That you can do in 2 ways. 2 hemisphere is attached means one sphere will get it. So you can write CSA of cylinder plus CSA of sphere. You can write. Otherwise you can write 2 into CSA of hemisphere. Both are correct. You can write instead of CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of hemisphere, you can write 2 into CSA of hemisphere. Otherwise you can write 2 hemisphere joined together, you will get a sphere. Like that also you can write. No problem. CSA of cylinder formula, everybody know 2 pi r h. CSA of cylinder 2 pi r h. 2 into CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square. 2 pi r h plus 2 into 2 pi r square. 2 pi r is common. Balance is h plus 2r. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 5 by 2. Otherwise 2.5. 5 by 2 into 2.5 or 5 by 2 you can write. H plus 9 plus 2 into 5 by 2. That is 2 cancelled. That is equal to 2 cancelled. So here you can write 22 into 5, 110. 110 by 7. 22 by 7 into 5 means 2 cancelled. 22 into 5, 110. 110 by 7. 9 plus 5, 14. So this is cancelled. So 220 millimeter square, because this is millimeter. Length of the entire capsule millimeter, radius is millimeter, so height of the cylinder millimeter. So you will get the surface area 220 millimeter square. We added CSC of cylinder and CSC of hemisphere, 2 CSC of hemisphere. Next, we are going to discuss exercise 13.1, question number 7. Exercise 13.1, question number 7. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. That means tent means a cylinder. On the top, cone is there. This is tent. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. That means one cone is there on the top. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively. I repeat, height and diameter of the cylindrical part. Cylindrical part height, that means this portion height is, it is given in the question 2.1 meter. And diameter of the cylindrical part is 4 meter. Diameter 4 meter means radius is 2 meter. And the height of the cylindrical part 2.1 meter respectively. Slant height. Slant height of the top is 2.8. Slant height. This is slant height. Slant height is 2.8 meter. L is equal to 2.8 meter. It is given in the question. Slant height is 2.8 meter. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. We have to find out area of the canvas. How much portion we have to use. Area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Per meter square rupees 100. We have to find out the total cost. Total cost means per meter square rupees 500. Have to find out the cost of the canvas. It is given in the question. Base of the tent will not be covered with canvas. That means this base is not covered with canvas. Canvas is here CSA of cylinder. Cylinder is a curved surface, canvas is there. And cone's curved surface, canvas is there. That means canvas is not there at the bottom. That means base of the tent will not covered with canvas. Base of the tent will not covered with the canvas. It is given in the question. Height and diameter of the cylindrical part. Height 2.1 meter, diameter 4 meter given. Slant height of the top is given 2.8 meter. Slant height means L. L is equal to 2.8 meter. It is given. And we have to find out area of the canvas used for making the tent. Area of the canvas means we have to find out CSA of cone and CSA of cylinder. Cone CSA and cylinder CSA you have to find out. Okay, it is given. Height of the cylinder, it is given 2.1 meter. This is our conical tent. Height of the cylinder, it is given in the question 2.1 meter. Diameter of the cylinder, it is given 4 meter. Diameter 4 meter means radius is 2 meter. And slant height of the conical tent, slant height is 2.8 meter. Slant height it is given. Cone slant height is given 2.8 meter. We have to find out area of the canvas used for making the tent. Area of the canvas. We have to find out, listen children, area of the canvas. Area of the canvas means wherever we are using canvas, one is CSA, curved surface area of cone. Next is curved surface area of cylinder. CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder. It is given in the question, bottom portion, not using canvas. CSA of cylinder and CSA of cone. CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. Canvas we are using curved surface area of the cylinder, you have to find out. Curved surface area of the cone, you have to find out. Here, curved surface area of the cylinder, 2 pi r h. Curved surface area of the cone, pi r l. That already studied, pi r l. Curved surface area of the cylinder, 2 pi r h. Curved surface area of the cone, pi r l. That is equal to, which is common, pi r is common. Balance what? 2h plus l. 2 pi r h CSA of cylinder, pi r l CSA of cone. So 2 pi r h plus pi r l. 2 pi r h plus pi r l. Pi r is common, 2h plus l. That is equal to 22 by 7. Radius is 2. 2h. 2 into 2.1 plus l. 2.8. That is equal to 22 by 7 into. This is 4.2. 2.1 into 2, 4.2. 4.2 plus 2.8 means that is equal to 7. Listen, 2 into 2.1 means 4.2. 4.2 plus 2.8, that is 7. 7 cancelled, that is equal to 44 meter square. What we got? Area of the canvas is 44 meter square. We have to find out the total cost. It is given in the question, cost for 1 meter square rupees 500. It is given. Cost for 1 meter square rupees 500. We got 44 meter square. So cost for 44 meter square is equal to 500 into 44. 5 into 44 multiply, you will get 220. 220. Then 2 zeros. That means 2,20,000 is the cost for 44 meters square. 44 into 5 is 220. Then put 2 zeros. This is the cost for, that is 22,000. 22,000 is 44 meters square cost. 22,000. 22,000. This is the 44 meter square cost. Next, we are going to discuss exercise 13.1, question number 8. Our next question is exercise 13.1, question number 8. From a solid cylinder, whose height is 2.4 centimeter, height of the solid cylinder is 2.4 centimeter, diameter 1.4 centimeter, diameter 1.4 centimeter, height is 2.4 centimeter. A conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Is hollowed out. Hollowed out means from this solid cylinder, one cone is taken outside, just like this figure. This is the cylinder. From this cylinder, one conical cavity is hollowed out. One cone is taken outside from the solid cylinder. A conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. We have to find out the total surface area of the remaining solid. We have to find out the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. So, this is the solid. From this solid, one conical cavity is hollowed out. From this cylinder, one conical cavity is hollowed out. It is given in the question, height of the cylinder is 2.4. H is equal to 2.4 centimeter. It is given in the question, H is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 1.4. Diameter of the cylinder is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Then everybody know very well radius means 1.4 by 2, that is equal to 0.7 centimeter. Radius is equal to 0.7 centimeter. It is given in the question, height of the cone and the height of the cylinder is same. That means from top to bottom, cone is there. So, height of the cylinder and diameter, same height and same diameter means cylinder height and cone height is same. Cylinder diameter and cone diameter is same. Same height and same diameter, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. What is the cylinder height? The same height is cone's height. What is the cylinder diameter? The same diameter is cone's diameter. We have to find out the total surface area of the remaining solid. Total surface area of the remaining solid means you have to find out CSA of cylinder. You have to find out what? CSA of cylinder. You have to find out the base area of the cylinder. So listen carefully all of you. You have to find out CSA of the cylinder and you have to find out base area of the cylinder. This is solid cylinder, not hollow cylinder. Solid cylinder. So bottom portion is there. CSA of cylinder and base area of the cylinder. And next you have to find out what CSA of cone. One conical cavity is hollowed out means this portion also you can see with your eye. CSA of cylinder, CSA of cone, last base area of the cylinder. In which all portion you can see with your eye, that all parts, that all surface area you have to find out. Curved surface area of the cylinder, curved surface area of the cone. The next one is base area of the cylinder. That is the total surface area of the remaining solid. That means after taking a conical cavity, the remaining solid is like this. So remaining solid area, surface area means CSA of cylinder, CSA of cone and base area of the cylinder. So we have to find out the total surface area of the remaining solid. Total surface area of the remaining solid total surface area of the remaining solid. Listen all of you, I have already told CSA of cylinder, CSA of cylinder, that is first thing, CSA of cylinder first thing. Next is base area of the cylinder, base area of the cylinder plus CSA of cone. This is the remaining solid area, CSA of cylinder. It is, we already know, 2 pi RH. Base area, base means circle, cylinder base means circle, circle's area pi r square. CSA of cone, pi r l. CSA of cone, that is equal to pi r l. CSA of cone, pi r l, that is equal to CSA of cylinder 2 pi r h. CSA of cylinder, that is equal to 2 pi r h is the CSA of cylinder. Base area of the cylinder pi r square. CSA of cone pi r l. Here pi r is common, so you can take pi r you can take outside. What is the balance? 2h plus r plus l. So I repeat, you can take outside pi r is taken outside. What is the balance? 2h plus r plus l. So we got CSA of cylinder 2 pi r h, base area of the cylinder pi r square, CSA of cone pi r l. So common is pi r. So pi r taken outside. This is 2h. This is r. Next is l. Any practical difficulty? So this is pi r taken outside. So this is 2h, r and l. Pi r taken outside, l. So here everything you can substitute, but l we don't know. We don't know l. Slant height we don't know, but that is very simple. This height is 2.4, then cone height is also will come 2.4. This given in the question, same height, same diameter, conical cavity is hollowed out. So 2.4. So height is 2.4 will get it. So you can you know the relation. L square is equal to h square plus r square. So L square is equal to h square means 2.4 whole square. R square means 0.7 whole square. That is 2.4 whole square. That everybody know. 24 into 24, 576. So 2.4 whole square means 5.76. 7 into 7, 49. But 0.7 into 0.7, 0.49. That is 49. That is equal to 6.25. L square 6.25. Then L is equal to square root of 6.25. 625 square root is 25. 6.25 square root is, that is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Then only you can substitute values. So that you have to note down L is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Then you can easily substitute 22 by 7, radius 0.7, 2h 2 into 2.4, radius that is 0.7, L that is equal to 2.5. That is equal to, this is cancelled, you can write 0.1. 22 into 0.1, that is 2.2. Okay, this you can add 2 into 2.4, that is 4.8. 4.8 plus 0.7. 4.8 plus 0.7. You can add and look 4.8, 0.7, 2.5. You can add it. 4.8, 0.7, 2.5. So this is 20 will get 8. 8.0, that is 2.2 into 8. That is 17.6 centimeter square. But in the question they asked nearest centimeter square. So you have to round off and write nearest centimeter square. Surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. So 17.6. If point above 5, 0.5 above is coming, you can write the next number. That is 18, approximately 18 centimeter square. So the answer is 18 centimeter square. 2.2 into 8, that is 17.6. 17.6 approximately 18 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the remaining solid. It is very simple. Conical cavity is hollowed out. That means CSA, suppose this is the figure. CSA of cylinder will come. Base area of the cylinder will come. And that conical part CSA also you have to add. Next, we are going to start exercise 13.1. Last question. Question number 9. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. So this is the solid cylinder. From this solid cylinder, from each end, a hemisphere is scooping out, just like hollowed out. Hemisphere is taking from each end of the cylinder. So this is the cylinder. From this cylinder, hemispherical portion is scooping out. Hemisphere is taken out, means here it will come curved surface area, curved surface of hemisphere. Here also hemisphere is scooping out. From each end of the cylinder, hemisphere is scooping out. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter, h is equal to 10 centimeter. Listen, height of the cylinder 10 centimeter. Base is of radius 3.5. This is base radius. That is equal to 3.5 centimeter. That means cylinder radius is also 3.5 centimeter and hemisphere radius is also 3.5 centimeter. They asked to find out, that is radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. They are asking to find out total surface area of the article. Article means this object, this solid. TSA of the article. Okay, this is very simple question. Very simple question. TSA of the article means total surface area of the article. Total surface area of the article means CSA of cylinder. Listen. Total surface area means with your eye. Which all parts you can see, that all parts, that all surface area have to add. If you are looking this object, you can, or if you are looking this article, you can see curved surface of the cylinder. That means CSA of the cylinder. Not only that, you can see the curved surface of the hemisphere also. Hemispherical portion is taken out, then also hemisphere curved part will be here. So these all parts you can see with your eye, that is the total surface area of the article. Total surface area of the article means CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. You can write just like medicine capsule problem. You can write 2 hemisphere. If you join together, you will get a sphere. So you can write instead of 2 into hemisphere, 2 into CSA of hemisphere, you can write CSA of sphere. No problem, because if 2 hemisphere is attached, you will get a sphere. Otherwise, you can write 2 into CSA of hemisphere. 2 into CSA of hemisphere, because 2 curved surface you can see. That is equal to CSA of cylinder, that is 2 pi r h. CSA of hemisphere means 2 pi r square. 2 into 2 pi r square. So we have to find out the wooden article total surface area means, listen, curved surface area of the cylinder, and CSA of hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere. Okay, we are finding that is the total surface area of the article. Total surface area of the article means we have to add curved surface area of the cylinder and curved surface area of hemisphere, curved surface area of hemisphere. 2 pi r is common, that you can take 2 pi r outside. So what will get 2 pi r is taking outside. So here it will come h, here it will come 2r. Okay, that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. It is given in the question 3.5 h 10 plus 2 into 3.5. 2 into 3.5. Is it okay? Listen carefully. 2 into 22 by 7, radius 3.5. H 10. 10 plus 2 into 3.5, that is 3.5, and 7 you can cancel. So you will get a 0.5. 3.5 and 7 you can cancel, that is 0.5. That is 0.5 means into 1 by 2. Into 1 by 2 means 2 cancelled. 0.5 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means that 2 and these 2 you can cancel. Otherwise, 2 into 0.5 means 1. 1 into 22, 22, 22 into 3.5 into 2, 7. 7 plus 10, 17. 22 into 17. 2, 7 into 2, 14, 4, 1. 2 into 7, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. Then 4, 7, 3. 374 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the article. Very simple. Total surface area of the article means CSA of cylinder and 2 into CSA of hemisphere. Cylinder surface area and CSA of hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere. Hemispherical portion is scooping out, then also one hemisphere is forming. So that surface you will get. That's why 2 into CSA of hemisphere.